Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to move voice channels on Discord using your mobile device. If you've ever wanted to organize your server a bit better or rearrange your channels so everything feels cleaner and easier to find, this guide is just what you need. The great thing is, it only takes a minute once you know where to look. First, go ahead and open the Discord app on your phone. Once you're inside, choose the server where you want to move your voice channels. At the very top of the screen, tap on your server name. This will open up a quick menu. From here, select the option called Settings. Inside Server Settings, you'll see a section labeled Channels. Tap on that, and then look for the button that says Reorder. This is the tool that lets you change the order of your categories and channels. When you tap Reorder, you'll see all of your text channels and voice channels laid out in a list. Scroll down to find your voice channels. Now, this next part is really simple. Hold down on the category you want to move. Once you're holding it, drag it up or down to the exact spot you'd like it to appear in your server. You can use this method to move entire categories or single channels to get everything positioned exactly the way you want. After you've dragged the channel or category into the right position, just tap Done in the top corner. That's it. The changes will save instantly, and now your voice channels are in the order you set. This is a quick but super effective way to keep your Discord server organized. Having your channels arranged in a logical order makes it easier for you and your members to find things, whether it's casual chatting, planning events, or jumping into a voice call. So that's how you move voice channels on Discord using just the mobile app. Simple, fast, and really useful for keeping everything neat. Give it a try on your own server and see how much smoother things run once your channels are in order.